In the near future, we'll embed doctors on your wrist to detect disease or illness before it sets in. We'll shrink smart speakers down to a sticker that can be put in every room in the house. We'll enable machinery to self-diagnose before factory lines break down. But why are we not there yet? Virtually all AI workloads are running in the cloud or in wall-plugged edge devices because of the energy, memory, and other resources required to support them. Enabling battery-powered endpoints that are beyond the edge to run inference and mimic human intelligence becomes the most important and the biggest challenge. Though there has been an explosion in the development of AI chips, today's AI chips consume far too much power for endpoint use cases, even while sitting idle. Even the best chips available today use the entire system power budget, tending to background tasks without leaving any power budget for inference. Ambiq has conquered these problems with its unique Spot platform, which allows full systems on chip capable of sensing, data storage, analysis, inference, and communications, all within an ultra-low power budget. Over 75 million wearables and other IoT devices are already using Ambiq at the core of their products. Tens of billions of endpoints will be empowered by Ambiq in the new artificial intelligence of things era. We have already proven the ability to break the constraints of Moore's law and have provided the world's most energy-efficient MCUs and wireless SoCs. With a diverse hardware portfolio and a full suite of software solutions, Ambiq is poised to unleash endpoint AI and bring true intelligence to devices beyond the edge. Ambiq, ultra-low power endpoint intelligence.
Hello everyone. My name is Yew Boon, and I am the Sales Director for Ambiq, responsible for the South Asia region. I want to thank PlanetSpark and XLPoint for inviting me to share Ambiq's smart health tech solutions with you. Ambiq is the industry-leading provider of microprocessors for battery-powered IoT endpoint devices. We rely on XLPoint's distribution network to support our customers. On the innovation side, we also work closely with PlanetSpark to help Singapore local SMEs strengthen their technical capabilities and succeed in developing and launching homegrown products. Health has always been a priority for everyone. As healthcare improves over time, the next focus is on preventive measures to keep us healthy. Technology related to health and wellness has been the primary driver in pushing forward the recent development. With the COVID pandemic, products that used to be a nice-to-have suddenly become a must-have. Smartwatches are the perfect example. After COVID, consumers realized that they could turn to their smartwatches to help keep them safe and their health in check. Manufacturers quickly caught on with this trend and introduced new and smarter watches with more functionalities that are health-centric. For example, there are smartwatches to detect early warning signs of COVID, keeping track of your whereabouts, giving you warnings of any nearby COVID cases, and alerting you with any abnormal reading of your vital signs. The popularity of this new demand for smart health tech is driving the need for AI. As the wearables continue to collect a large amount of data, devices need AI to help analyze the data and turn them to insights. Information such as your heart rate, SpO2 readings, blood pressure, temperature, stress level, etc., and provide a feedback to you to seek medical advice immediately. However, the majority of the wearables and hearables products are battery-powered. Furthermore, most of the time, they are powered by small-size battery. Hence, battery life has always been one of the major concerns for engineers when designing these products. One of the biggest challenges they face is that most of the processors or controllers are power hungry. As such, they face the dilemma of choosing between performance and power efficiency. What if you could design more features or functions into your product but maintain the same battery power, or keeping the existing features and functions but extend your battery life. This is where Ambiq can offer you the performance you need without sacrificing power. With our sub-threshold power optimized technology platform, SPOT for short, we can effectively lower the compute to run at sub-threshold and reduce the total power consumptions by more than 10 times of the normal range. Ambiq was founded in 2010, focusing on building the world's most energy-efficient solution for battery-powered endpoint devices. We have the vision to put intelligence everywhere. Ambiq has sold more than 100 million devices to the market since we were founded. Just within this year, we have been recognized with the AI Excellence Award, Big Innovation Awards, and IoT Semiconductor Company of the Year Award. If you'd like to know more about who Ambiq is, what SPOT technology is, how Ambiq can help you achieve both performance and power in designing your smart health product, what solutions Ambiq can offer in the smart health segment, please join us in the coming Smart Health Sensor Solutions for Wearables and Hearables webinar on 20th August 2021. Please look out for the webinar's registration from either Ambiq's website at www.ambiq.com or ExcelPoint website at www.excelpoint.com. Hope to see you there. You can also subscribe to our blog to get the latest products and activities update from Ambiq at www.ambiq.com/blog.com. Thank you.